Hey guys, and I'm joined with.
Hello then.
Okay. Well, I guess I don't need to explain any names. Alright, so today is a really exciting day. I've been waiting for this alarm since before Thanksgiving. It is now December 15th. I was very worried that this thing was lost in the mail, but it did come in, thankfully. And safely. What the hell is going on with my camera? Okay, there we go. Now it works. There was a little bit of a problem with the tape. It kind of like got messed up and then it came apart during shipping. Not too fond of it, but thankfully I took a look and why are there Lego pieces on my floor? I took a look and the alarm is safe. I was able to touch it, but I didn't like look at it yet. Now this is a completely unexpected purchase. So you guys are gonna see what this is. It's a very, very weird unit. So
And you won't believe who found it.
So here it is. It looks normal, right? What if we turn this around here? It has like 10 million wires. This is really interesting. Now, if we look at this, now the label is right here. You can kind of make out the model. It's 79 LVRI. You can kind of make it out. It's a little worn away, but it's I already knew what this is when I saw it. Here's this random sticker over here. I don't know why it's there, but I could just take that off. Just to clean this up a bit. This can definitely use a little bit of cleaning. It's also got the thick base, just like how the 78 RFs. If you look at my 1689 here, it has the same platform and the same thick base, so it's like the same design. If we compare that to the normal 79R, which I'll quickly grab, thankfully these are all easy reach. This is the normal 79R. It has it's completely different. It's a lot shorter. This is a lot more common, even though this is still pretty rare. So, yeah, that's just your normal 79R. This is like exponentially rare and one of like the few that we know of to exist currently. Like there's been a few that were spotted. There are rarer variants of this, like the ACRI. The DCRI is more common than this. This is rarer than the DCRI. But yeah, this is weird. I want to take a look at the inside because these internals are far, and I know they're pretty weird. So the circuitry is pretty whack. It's got like 3 connectors. I think that's a relay, and someone was asking about that the other day. So here's one of the DC connectors. I think that's a relay connector, and then that's I honestly don't know what any of these things do, so I'll have to look through all of these. It's a very, very intriguing unit. It smells weird. So it says 120 volt AC. However, I have to do my research just to make sure that is, because I'm pretty sure this one was a different voltage rating than I remember it. Because there's already an ACRI, but I just have to check and confirm before I even tamper with this unit. But as far as I'm aware, this should sound like a normal 79R. This one appears to be made in 1982. If I remember correctly, it was the last number on the code. I think it was, if it's the first number, it's from 84, but if it's the last number, it's 82. Yeah, but this is a really, really obscure unit. I have to look more into it. But I've been wanting a 79 LVRI since, like, Kiara mentioned it to me. And I'm pretty sure, like, Kiara, like, had one, like, eons ago, but couldn't, like, find it or anything. So I managed to get my hands on one somehow. Which, by the way, me and Alex were one night just chatting, and he said, "Oh, bro, I want to browse eBay." And he bumped into that, and he was like, "I found some weird hardwired 79R thing."
And then you freaked out on the
Oh
spot.
yeah, I gasped when I saw it. A little bit dusty on the inside, so this came used definitely. Is there a sticker on this? I can't tell. I'm looking at the cover. It looks. Oh, I think it's just someone stuck a sticker on it and like removed it. That's why the plastic's like you kind of see the original plastic, and then it's like yellowed and everywhere else. So clearly there used to be a sticker there. Not a genuine sticker or anything. It's just it's like a fake sticker. But I already have a 79R cover. So testing this would be a little bit of a weird thing to test, but it will sound exactly the same as a normal 79R, as far as I'm aware. I don't think it does any weird coatings, but I'll have to ask. But yeah, this has got the 80s logo.
And you said that thing is one of your grails.
One of, not top 10, but it is definitely one of my must-haves for BRK. And then there's also this. Oh yeah, this tells you what each wire does. Yeah, so there is a so the black wires, which
If it's 120,
that's a purple
then the
wire.
black should be live and the white should be neutral.
Yeah, but this doesn't have that. It has like a dark purple wire. And it has a gray, and it has a brown wire, red, yellow. I have to look into it. Yeah, so this is a relay connectability 79R unit.
Yeah, probably something you can wire into a security system.
And there is an interconnect, which the violet, which is what that purple wire, this purple wire was for. Yellow to yellow. So this is the interconnect wire. So the black wires, is there already a gray wire thing here? No, because there's blue. There's already blue right here, orange, brown. So this is probably what it's referring to as the black wire. Never mind. There's a gray thing here. So where's black? It doesn't exist. Where would the black wire go? Is there a red wire? Power input. I don't know. I have to look into this. This is a very weird unit to have, so I just
If only we had a manual for it.
Oh no, there's something I can I'm sure there's something I can find online. Why is there air? Okay. Yeah, I will be questioning this unit for a while, but this is definitely one of my top acquisitions of this year. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. And you know what I just realized? You know what this reminds me of?
What?
Those Gentex smoke alarms with like 10,000 wires.
Oh yeah.
That's what this reminds me of. Anyways, enough stalling. I'll catch you guys later. You want to say bye?
Bye-bye.